Some important abbreviation. ASCII. What's the full form of ASCII? American Standard Code for Information Interchange. BIOS. Basic Input Output System. COBAL. Common Business Oriented Language. DBMS. Database Management System. EBCDIC. EBCDIC. Extended Binary Coded Decimal Interchange Code. HTTP. Hypertext Transfer Protocol. IBM. International Business Machine. JPEG. Joint Photographic Experts Group. Some other important informations. Note 1. In an email address, there are three parts: username, @ and domain. In the given email address, technology@mail.com. Technology is username. And mail.com is domain. For an email address to be valid, all three of the above parts have to be necessarily present. Hence, the other part do not contain all three parts. Note 2. Which of the following protocols provides a physical address from a logical address? Important question. Which of the following protocols provide a physical address from a logical address? Option A, DHCP, BOOTP, ARP, or SMTP. Which of the following protocols provides a physical address from logical address? Its answer is, correct answer भनेको ARP. Option number C. ARP, Address Resolution Protocol, converts logical address into physical address. A TCP/IP protocol is BOOTP. It enables a client to obtain information from a network server, such as its IP address and the name of a load file. The Internet Mechanism IP Network Management Protocol, called Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol, DHCP. Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol is used to assign IP address automatically. Some of the important informations. Let's look up another question. Which of the following computer component is considered both input and output device? Motherboard, RAM, hard drive, control bus. Its correct option is control bus. Control bus operating system consider an input output device because it transports control signal data between various components of the computer. Green lines and formula bar. Formula bar, which tab in MS Excel? Home tab, insert tab, data tab, and view tab. Green lines and formula bars, which tab in MS Excel? Means view tab. Option number D is the correct answer. Note. Downloading भनेको के हो त भन्दा इट इज द प्रोसेस अफ ट्रान्सफरिङ फाइल्स फ्रम द वेब सर्भर फ्रम द इन्टरनेट टु द युजर कम्प्युटर्स. Uploading means it is the process of transferring file from the user computers to web server on the internet. Question. Which function key is used to opening help? For opening help, which function is used? F1, F2, F4, F3. Option number 1, F1 key. Some of the functions key. F2 to remain a selected file or folder. F1 to help, opening help. F2 to rename. F3 to search for a file or folder. F4 to close the active window with the Alt key. Alt plus F4 to close the active window. F5 to refresh. F6 to move the cursor to address bar in most web browser. F7 to spell check and grammar check. F8 to access the boot menu in Windows. F9 refresh a document in MS Word. F10 activate the menu bar of the applications. F11 enter and exit full screen in web browser. F12 open the save as dialog box. Most important, you have to remember. Now generations: first generation, second generation, third, fourth and fifth generation. Duration period: 1946 to 1954, 1955 to 1964, 1964 to 1977, 1978 to present and future. Fifth generation. What electronic component use? First generation vacuum tube, second generation transistor, third generation integrated circuit, fourth generation VLSI very large scale integrated or microprocessor, fifth generation ULSI or biochips or AI artificial intelligence. What is the full form of PNG in the computer image format? PNG means option number D, portable network graphics. Now JPEG or JPG, Joint Photographic Expert Group. GIF means graphic interchange format. TIFF, tagged image file format. BMP, bitmap. FSVG, scalable vector graphic. PSD, Photoshop document. PDF, portable document format. EPS, encapsulated postscript. RAW, raw image format. AI, adapt insulator document. Which of the following is not a search engine? Bing, Axe, Yahoo or Safari? Safari is not a search engine. Note: example of high level programming language. High level programming language: COBOL, Pascal, Basic, Fortran, Algol, Prolog, Java, Python, Visual Basic, C, C++ are the high level language example. Various generation of the computer are listed. First generation vacuum tube, language machine level language. Second generation transistor assembly language. Third generation of the computer, IC integrated chip high level language, example Fortran, Alog, COBOL, C++. Sorry. Fourth generation of the computer, VLSI very large scale integrated circuit, very high level language, query language, example SQL, Unix, Shell, Oracle, etc. Fifth, ultra large scale integrated integration technology, AI language, example OPS5, Mercury, etc. Next question: it is self-replicating program that infects computer and spread by inserting copies of itself into the executable code or document. Keyloggers, worm, virus or cracker. Option number C, virus. Virus stand for vital information resource under siege. A person who uses his or her expertise to gain access to others' computer to get information illegally or do damage is a hacker. Option number A. The first computer virus is Creeper. Option number A. The first boot sector virus is Brain. Boot sector virus is Brain. Option number C. Are attempts by individual to obtain confidential information from you by falsifying their identity. Phishing scam. Note: phishing scams are attempts by individual to obtain confidential information from you by falsifying their identity. It is a kind of computer virus. Phishing scams are used to obtain sensitive information like username, password, and credit card details. Are often delivered to PC through an email attachment and are often designed to do harm. Viruses. It is prepared application that take advantage of a known weakness. Security exploit. Advantage of a known weakness. Security exploit. Trend Micro is a antivirus software. You can protect sensitive data from prying eyes using file permission. Option number D. You can protect sensitive data from prying eyes using file permission. It is an application that captures TCP/IP data packets which can maliciously be used to capture passports and other data while it is in transit either within the computer or over the network. Packet sniffer. These are the program designed aids to seem to being or be doing one thing but actually being or doing other. Trojan horse. Option number A. Trojan horse virus is a type of malware that downloads onto a computer disguised as a legitimate program. The delivery method typically sees an attacker use social engineering to hide malicious code with legitimate software to try and gain user system access with their software. The difference between the virus and a self-replicating program, which is like a virus, is that rather than creating copies of itself on one system, it propagates through a computer networks. What is that called? That is called worm. Thank you so much.